Welcome to AC Network's business messaging tutorial. Today we will be looking directly at the web application for this service. There is a phone application that we'll discuss in a different video. But for today, we're just going to be looking at the web platform. So I first want to discuss that most times you will be able to keep your phone carrier if you so choose, and we will still be able to service you, but we'd love to have you for both phone and texting. So keep that in mind. So we'll go right here. First, we're going to be looking at the number, where the number switcher is. So if you are a business that has multiple numbers, it's not an issue. We can service all of them. You will be able to switch between numbers at your discretion. This is great for business managers or owners so that they have access to communications across all aspects of their business. So the first thing that you will do upon installing the web application is you will be adding your contacts. Now, an easy way to do this is when you add the phone application onto your cell phone, you can transfer all of your contacts from your cell phone onto this platform. You do not have to do that. It does give you an option. So if you want to just add contact on the fly, at your discretion, you go right in here, press add new contact, fill in the stuff, name, number. You can opt to add an email address. It's a great reference, so I would suggest using that. If you have specific list of customers or vendors even that you want to keep separate and organized, you may do that as well. You would come in here. We've got business customers as a list that I have made. I've made a test list, but simple. You just add new list. If you wanted to name this list vendors, so you would do that, and then you would go back into the contacts. You would choose import. It comes up like this. You would choose a file. It does give you a format that is necessary for uploading. It's very easy. Name, phone number, email address. Download that and then import it into it, and you can select which list you want those numbers to be applied to. And then you would just import contacts. Moving right along. We'll do conversations last because I do want to discuss some of the functions on that and we don't have any conversations in the demo right now because I want to be able to highlight those for you. So we're going to go to canned responses. So this is really great. It gives you a way to choose if you are wanting to accept text at a moment's notice or if you want to put it to away. Right now I have our away set to business hours. So like if you knew that you were going to be heading out of the office at 5 every night, you could already have this in place, and then you would just simply on your way out the door, just set your status to away, and then when someone texts you, this is what they will be receiving as a text back, so they know that they can contact you in the morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's go ahead and put that back onto available, and then we'll move on to the keyword applications. So this is really interesting. You can go ahead and select keywords that you want to put in there so that you can have auto canned responses back to your customers. So you can market them. Say you have a Facebook ad that says, hey, check out our daily prices, text price to whatever number is yours. If you're a business or oil company, this would be wonderful for you. And that way you're not on the phone all the time, keeping those numbers keeping those calls going on a daily basis. I know I worked for an oil business previous, and the call volume is ginormous. And so anytime that you can get a break from that and let this service work for you, it would be in your best interest. So right now I have price as the keyword. So I'm going to text the word price as the keyword function as if I was your customer. Oh, there is my message. So, and I'm going to go into conversation so I can show you that indeed the canned response then sent me a text back letting me know what your today's prices are. And so I want to go back to the canned response and let you know that at any time you want to edit that on the fly, say the market changes halfway through the day, you can go ahead. Let's hope that that helps. Let's hope that that actually does happen. That would be great. So, and then you just click edit response and then it's updated. So this feature is also great for anyone that wants to do any type of marketing, whether it be like you have specials that you want to run. We have a specials keyword in here for a pizza shop. Really, the sky is the limit with this. You can choose what you put in this, and you can choose as many canned words that you want. So you just go, that's the canned word. You can call it anything that you want. You could call it marketing. And then choose anything that you want for a keyword. I mean, really, honestly, you could choose the word, like discount. And then you would be able to, we are running a sale on, I don't know, a sale on coffee today, or anything that you can think of, you can apply to this. So we'll go ahead and X out of that. Right, now I'm going to talk about the drip campaigns. So drip campaigns are great for marketing purposes. It lets you reach your potential customer base by introducing, and then you can simply add a drip. It lets you choose how many days or hours or minutes are in between those campaigns that you're wanting to market. So really useful tool there, especially for people that are looking to reach people on a regular basis to keep those leads hot and in the system, and always thinking about you to win the sale. So let's move on to the blast feature. So the blast feature, we use this quite often, not so much for marketing, but we have customer list that are specific to tower that they're linked to, because we also provide broadband internet. So if we know that we're going to have a day where we're going to be doing maintenance on a tower, we will select the list of those customers, and then we will let them know tower maintenance. Be good if I could spell it. So we'll just go. Okay. And then we're gonna schedule it, because let's say we're gonna do tower work tomorrow. Okay. So, and we'll do it we're going to notify them though. We're going to be doing tower work, let's say on Saturday. So we're going to notify them on Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning. It does let you choose. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then you can say, we will be working on your tower site on 12/10/2022 outages. It's great because it does have like a red spell check so you know when you're messing up so you can edit your work. So outage is to be expected, which would be minimal, of course. We would never leave our customers down for very long doing maintenance, less than 10 minutes. So then you would go ahead and pick the list that you have. So we'll just go test list because I do believe that I have that in there. And then we'll go ahead and schedule the blast. And so that will automatically, we'll look over here, see that it's scheduled. Recipients is none because I don't have anyone listed as a contact. But if I did, that's where they would show up. And it's scheduled to send out tomorrow at 8. You can edit them or cancel them at any time. You can just simply click here, go down to the bottom, and just delete the blast. Things change sometimes. Weather doesn't cooperate. But this would be great for marketing as well. You could reach a bunch of people all at one time. And texting is the most effective way of communicating with your customers. So you have to remember that your customers are going to expect your business line to be text capable. I can't imagine how many customers a business might be losing by not having that already set up. So if you're one of those businesses that don't have any texting enabled, then you're really, really missing out. You might want to think of and consider about getting a texting service. So moving on. So one of my favorite features of this service is the reminders. And this would be great for any business. So you can create a reminder on the fly anytime you want. You search through the contacts. Let's set Jim a reminder and let him know right now that your car is due for an oil change. Okay. And then you just go ahead and then you would save. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is why it's really important to get those contacts in the way that you want them. So we're going to go, you have to add, and it tells you, like if you get stuck in something, you can escape out of here and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. So here it's telling us to create a reminder. You select the recipient, the times, it was enter the message, and then you just click save. Okay, it's very easy. So if you ever get stuck and don't know how to do something, you can always come up to the question mark, and every single feature has an overview. So very useful. There are going to be integrations to come. They're in beta testing right now. So we'll have some integrations into HubSpot, Pipedrive, Slack, Google Chat, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and Webhooks Relay. I'll let everybody know when those are ready to go. But those are in production right now. They're currently in beta testing. So, and then here, and here's your profile. You can come in here anytime, change the password, update your account. Very, very easy. Let's go back to the conversations. I do want to come back to here because this is an important feature of the business, of the product for your business. So right here, we can select Jim Smith's conversation. We can choose to mark unread so that someone else might on the platform might be able to respond to that customer if no one else understands how to help. Or you can archive it or delete the history. So it's really important that when it's not so much one person running this operation. When you install your AC Networks business messaging. The idea of the whole platform is to have employee and team collaboration and customer service at the best that it can be. So I know when we are working with our customers, all of us here have access to whichever department we're a part of. So all of the service department or anyone that helps out with service has our support line enabled. We all have the same credentials. We log in the same way. That way it's across the board. We're team collaborating with our customers. If someone doesn't understand how to help, the next person in line can maybe interject. Or because you're the business owner, you have access to all of the conversations, and you can interject anytime you want. Help your customers out, help your employees out, giving them the best that customer service has to offer. I hope this was an informative tutorial. I look forward to hearing back from you as far as what other features you might think would be great to add to the system, as well as if this would be something that you would be interested in trying. We can offer you a free 7-day trial. If you have any questions or concerns or are ready to sign up, just let us know. I can check your number, see if we can carry that number without having to carry it over onto our network. Or like I said, to get everything that we have to offer with advanced phone system and this business messaging system, we would love to have you as a business communications customer all the way around. So you can call or text us at 207-800-0060, or you can schedule another demo online by visiting www.acnetworks.com, and I can meet with you and we can run through all of the features in a little bit more detail. So I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day. Thank you. Thank you for watching.